Hi Food Heroes! Miss Rachel here with another Food Hero Feature Food lesson. I am glad you are here today because this lesson is all about watermelon. In this video, you will learn some fun information about watermelon, the nutrients we find in watermelon to keep us healthy, discover something new, and at the end, I will share a delicious recipe with watermelon that you can try making at home. Let's get started.
In Oregon, watermelons grow best in the warmer climate of the eastern part of the state. Watermelon are in the same family as cucumbers, pumpkins, and squash. Watch for locally grown watermelon from July to September. They might cost less, taste better, and last longer. There are several hundred varieties of watermelon. A few to know are seeded, seedless, mini or personal, and yellow crimson. When choosing a watermelon, pick one that is firm, heavy, and symmetrical, with a creamy yellow spot from where it sat in the ground and ripened in the sun. Store whole watermelon at room temperature. Refrigerate cut melons. Make sure to rinse watermelons before cutting. Watermelons contain high levels of lycopene, a pigment that gives watermelon its red color. Lycopene is an antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances that protect your cells and help to keep your body healthy. Watermelons also contain vitamin B6, which helps with brain development, your immune system, and maintaining normal nerve function. Watermelons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which promotes a healthy immune system, heals cuts and wounds, and helps our bodies fight infection. Wow, watermelons are really healthy for you.
Did you know watermelons are 92% water, which makes them a food that can help you stay hydrated? Early explorers used watermelons as canteens. How cool is that? Check out Food Hero for fun recipes with watermelon. Before you make your tasty watermelon treat, make sure to ask an adult for help, wash your hands, scrub for at least 20 seconds. Watermelon is a pretty great snack all by itself. Take it up a notch by adding watermelon to your favorite fruit salad, or blend it up with some orange juice for a refreshing watermelon cooler. Check out foodhero.org to find these fun recipes with watermelon. There you will also find more information about watermelon, coloring sheets, and funny jokes like this one. When do you go at red and stop at green? When you're eating a watermelon. Great job today, Food Hero. You earned your watermelon stamp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.